Hello everyone, it's springtime 2020. Wanted to show you a short video about what's going on in our garden, and I will start with our tomatoes. Sorry, actually strawberries, not tomatoes. We have redone our strawberry field this year because it was a big mess, as some of you who follow us on Instagram probably saw already. If not, I will show you where we're at right now and kind of what we had before. Okay, so this is where we're at on our strawberry field. We have 6 rows of strawberries planted here, which we had before, but they were kind of just in rows, not under the fabric or under the plastic. And we pulled everything out, added, each row got 2 wheelbarrows of compost and 1 wheelbarrow, actually, sorry, 1 wheelbarrow of compost and 2 wheelbarrows of wood chips that were already composted for a couple years. And we've put fabric down, replanted all the strawberries. As you can see, some of them are already flowering, so we're hoping. We had a really dry April this year. It's actually been one of the driest in 16 years so far, but it's looking much better. We've added sawdust, or actually this is from our chain milling, and all of the rows are covered. So hopefully this will be an easier maintenance in the future, as well as we've have under this, if I can get to it, I'll show you. We have drip irrigation, which we have a double drip, 2 rows of drip hoses that go through each row with 6-inch spacing on the drips, and 2 different varieties of strawberries planted. And then we're super excited about our apple trees, which we've planted it here a couple years ago, and they are full on flowering. Look at all of this. So hopefully we'll get some apples finally on them, but we've been pruning them, trimming them, and training them to be an espalier fence here. So this is our strawberries with our garden that's been planted here, in addition to the garden that's over there where we have our onions and we have our garlic and potatoes there. This is our second expansion, which we're working on right now. We've got some trees that we taken down. We're gonna be planting a garden here, so, and having more of a decorative flower garden, since this is kind of in front of a house already, and kind of match this design, follow the design throughout. So follow us and like our videos, and we will post some other videos showing you how we're doing this and how the progress is happening. I'll take you quickly to our garden over there, show you what's happening here. So we use these walkways where we covered for the walkways around the beds, and these are some beds. We have some weeds growing in here, and we've been struggling with pulling this ivy or whatever this is, but it's been just terrible. It's been growing all over the place, and we've been slowly kind of working on fighting it and getting rid of it. But it's, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of it. These 2 rows here are potato rows, so we're gonna have potatoes here. But I want to show you one other plant which is kind of cool, is right here. This is a wasabi plant. This one is doing really well. That one there is a little one which is kind of struggling, but I had 2 other plants that were right here. Obviously they're gone, but this wasabi plant has been here for a couple years already. It's a really tough plant to grow in our area, in the Pacific Northwest, especially just in soil. Usually they like to have more wet soil, or actually more rocky, kind of by the riverbanks. I have a little sprayer right over there. We spray it down with water. It doesn't like the sun, as you can see. This is just, it's about 10 a.m. in April. Today we're supposed to have 76-degree weather, but as you can see, this plant is already needs a little bit of water to cool it down. But yeah, it's a fun plant to grow, but it's a really hard plant to grow. Once it's established, supposedly it grows pretty well, so we'll see how it goes. And then we have a couple other espalier trees, apple trees, that are being trained on the back fence as well over here. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully you like the video and gives you some ideas on how to do your strawberries, what you can do with them. They're right in the back of me. And come again and watch our videos. We'll be posting more stuff, what's happening around our garden this year. Kind of a busier for everybody. I know a lot of people are staying at home with all this corona that's going on, and planting to plant gardens and start a garden. It's a great time to do it. So get around to it, and if you haven't started a garden, it's a great time to plant one. It's April, so it's perfect timing for it. Get out there and plant some seeds, plant some stars. Stores still have them while they're all gone, before they're all gone. So sometimes it's hard to get stuff that you want once people start buying everything. Good luck. Thanks for watching.